What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing my results because I've just passed over 3,000 units of one book sold and it's generated me over $8,000. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you all the tips, tricks and strategies that I've learned to help me make passive income here online. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then check out that link down in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. Within here I add brand new trainings every single week on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So I've just reached a brand new milestone within my low and no content book publishing business. I've just sold over 3,000 units of my best-selling book and it's gone on to generate over $8,000 over the course of a year. So if we look here at my results, this is from November 2018, from when I first started, to March 20th. I've almost broke $40,000 as well. In fact, let's just refresh the stats so you can see. And there's a little sound coming in just there on or with a little sale. Now, if you want to know more about Book Report or Get Book Report, then check out my previous video to this where I did a review and a walkthrough of the software showing you exactly what does what. If you want to watch that video, click right there in the right hand corner. So let's go down to my stats. If we look here, we can see that February was pretty good and I did 2,800. March is a little bit slow at the minute. We're 11 days in and I've only done 574 in royalties. I say only, it's still pretty good. So if we go down to here, so we're on all time, we can see that I've sold 39,000 in royalties, done 19,100 units sold, but 3,171 of them have actually gone on to generate me just over $8,000. That's $8,668 to be exact. Now, if you want to know what niche this is in, you're going to have to do a little bit of digging around on the channel because I do share the niche. I don't share the books, obviously, because of the copycats. But this I actually published, I think it was December time 2018, so this is over a year old now, almost a year and 6 months old, and that's what it's gone on to generate me over the course of its lifetime. In fact, let's see what it's giving me or making me per month on average. So let's get a calculator and let's just move this over to here. So let's do 8,668 divided by, so this book is around 14 months, published in December 2018, so divided by 14 gives me an average of $619 per month. So I'm extremely happy with these results, considering I haven't even really been doing book publishing that long. I've been doing it now for around 15 months. So I started in November and we're now in, well, this November of 2018 and we're now in March 2020. So coming up to a year and a half and it's absolutely flown by. Now, why am I showing you the results of that one book? Well, it's to inspire you. So like I said, realistically, I have not even been doing publishing for that long, and I even published that best-selling book that has generated me most of my money my second month of publishing. So just stay consistent with this business, always be trying to improve and make better quality books, and you will start getting results. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.